21 रन जाल्ले आसा. नॉर्थ गोवा 11 दोन धावपाचे प्रयत्न दोन रन काडले आसा.
In this general election to Goa Legislative Assembly 2022, our focus is on inclusive and accessible election. As a part of that, we are trying to tag as many persons with disability as possible, and we are extending a lot of facilities for that. Like we are organizing special camps. We have appointed Divyang Mitras. They are person with disability officials who are in government service and willing to work for the cause. They are more than approximately 500 in number. So that way, through different channels, we are reaching out to person with disability. So today's blind cricket match is one such initiative wherein we are showcasing the world that today's this blind cricket match is no less exciting than normal match, and they are equally skillful, or rather I would say better skilled, as I could see that just by hearing to the voice they are making the shots. That's commendable. So these are nothing but our showcasing, and also like ensuring that to the person with disability voters that your vote is equally important. You must come out and participate in the upcoming elections. We are having absentee voter system for persons with disability as well as for senior citizens, and as well as they can very well come to the polling station to cast the vote. Both choices are available. It is open for the voter to choose wisely. So that way, this election is going to be inclusive, accessible, and festive. So a lot of initiatives are there, a lot of such events are coming up. So we hope that people will come out in record numbers and they will cast their vote in the upcoming election.
Yeah, this is first kind of event by Election Commission to promote this.
Yes, in fact, like it is what's quite heartening that our Goa cricket team is ranking currently 14 in the country. So our nodal officer reached out to them. They agreed to have a tournament here, and the result is today's match. So we are very hopeful that more and more groups will come forward, and you will see more and more events focused on persons with disabilities.
Yeah, yes, sir.